Hi dear Python coders, in today's video I'm diving deep into the world of strings in Python. I will cover various aspects including handling quotes, string concatenation, comments, input, and more. Let's start with strings. Strings are sequences of characters, enclosed within either single quotes or double quotes. You can even include a single quote within a double quote string, or include a double quote string within a single quote. Let's dive in and see how. For example, first let's print a single quote string within a double quote. Print, open the parentheses, single quotation mark. This is a single quote within a double quoted string. Python is fun. And now let's print. Here is a double quote within a single quoted string. Python is versatile. And if we run it, you can see both the single and double quotes strings here. Let's talk a bit about concatenating strings. Concatenation is the process of joining strings together using the plus operator. You can also concatenate strings or combine strings with variables. I will describe variables in details in the upcoming videos. For example, we want to store the value Ahmad inside variable first name, so let's create the variable first. First name equals Ahmad and last name equals Ahmedi. Now concatenate first name and last name and put them inside variable full name using plus operator. Full name equals first name plus double quotation space plus last name. Here we concatenate a space within first name and last name and put them inside full name. Now let's print full name like this. Print full name plus full name. And if we run, you can see the first full name is a string. And the second is the value of variable, in this case Ahmad Ahmedi. Comments in Python. Comments are crucial for code readability. They start with a hashtag and are ignored by the Python interpreter. They help you document your code for better understanding. In most programming languages, we have two types of comments: single line, multi-line. For single line, we use hashtag, and for multi-line, we use 3 quotation marks together, like this. Hashtag, this is a single line comment. Open 3 quotation mark, this is a multi-line comment. Press enter, it spans multiple lines, and close 3 quotation mark. Now let's print. Comments help in code readability, they are not compiling. And if we run it, the above lines will ignore by the compiler or interpreter, and it only print the statement within the print function. Now let's jump into the input function and have fun with it. The input function allows interaction with users by accepting input from the console. It also takes an optional prompt message as an argument. For example, we want to store the input of user into a variable. So let's create the variable first. We name the variable user input equals input function and an optional argument. For example, enter your name. When interpreter reaches this line, it will wait for the user input to write something. Now let's print hello, concatenate the variable user input with plus operator. Hello plus user input. If we run, you can see it will ask enter your name, and me as a user should write something here like Ali, and if I press enter, it will store Ali in user input, and then it will print hello Ali. Perfect. That's a wrap for today's explorations of string in Python. I have covered various aspects including handling different codes, concatenation, comments, and input function. Challenge for viewers. Try experimenting with strings, concatenate different phrases, add comments to your code, and explore the input function. In my upcoming videos, I will delve deeper into variables. Stay tuned, keep coding, and see you in the next video. Happy coding!